Hello kids, welcome back. Yesterday we have done some worksheets based on our first chapter, that is number and number names. Yesterday we have revised place values, expanded form, number names and the things that we have studied in our first chapter. Now today we will do a worksheet based on your second chapter, that is addition. We have completed this chapter. So today we will do worksheet based on addition. So let us start. Let us start with question number 1. Now read question number 1. Read it. So question number 1 says add 2 tens and 8. Question number 1 says add 2 tens. 2 tens and 8. So what we have to do? We have to add 2 tens and 8. Okay. So what does here 2 tens mean? What does 2 tens mean? Tell me. 2 tens means 20. And what we have to add in 20? We have to add 8. So 20 plus 8 will give us, how much we will get? 28. Okay? Okay kids. Let us move toward question number 2. Read the question. Find the sum of 607 and 273. Find the sum of 607 and 273. So 607 plus 273. Let us start. We will start from which digit? We will start from ones. Okay. So 7 plus 3. At once we are having 7 and 3. So 7 plus 3 will give us 7 plus 3 will give us 10. So what we will write here? For 7 plus 3 10, we will write 0. And at tens place we are having 0 and 7 and we will put a carry here. So we are having at tens place 0 plus 7. So this we have read in properties of addition, that any number that we add in 0, we will get the sum as number itself. So what we will get here? 7. 7 plus 1 carry, we will get 8. Okay. Now 6 plus 2, 8. So what we are, so our answer is 880. Our answer is 880. Okay. Now question number 3. Find the sum of 303 and 30. Very easy question. 303 plus 30. So 3 plus 0 will give us 3. 0 plus 3 will give us 3 and 3. So our answer is 333. Okay, moving toward question number 4. Question number 4 is also a very easy addition question. 166 plus 434. 166 plus 434. Now this you have to do yourself. Do this question. 166 plus 434. What we will get? 6 plus 4, 10. Carry 1. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Carry 1. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 1, 6. 600. So 166 plus 434 will give us 600. Now, question number 5 you will do yourself. Question number 5 is 418 plus 362. So this question you will do yourself. Moving toward question number 6. Question number 6 is, so question number 6 is also based on properties of addition. It deals with rule of regrouping. So here we are having 3 digit 14 plus 10 plus 2. 14 plus 10 plus 2. 14 plus 10 plus 2 and bracket close. So as we can see, 10 plus 2 is there in the bracket. So first we will solve this. So 14 plus 10 plus 2 will give us 12. 10 plus 2 will give us 12. Now 14 plus 12. 14 plus 12, how much we will get? 14 plus 12. 4 plus 2, 6 and 1, 1, 2. Will get 26. Okay. So 14 plus 12 will get 26. Again, question number 7. In one bracket, we are having 30 plus 6 and in another bracket, we are having 20 plus 5. Let us do it. 30 plus 6 and 20 plus 5. We are having 30 plus 6 in one bracket and 20 plus 5 in another. Let us solve this. So 30 plus 6 will give us, how much we will get if we add 30 and 6? We will get 36. Good. And how much we will get if we add 20 plus 5? Adding 20 and 5 we will get 25. Now we will add these two numbers, 36 plus 25. What we will get if we add 36 and 25? 36 plus 25. 6 plus 5, 11. Carry 1. 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 6. 61. So our answer will be 61. Okay, for question number 7, we are having 61. Okay, now question number 8. A good question. Question number 8 says 36 plus 1/10 plus 2/10 plus 5 will give us how much? Now 36 plus 1/10 plus 2/10 plus 5. Let us do this question. 36 plus 1/10 plus 2/10 plus 5. Let us do it. So 36 plus 1/10. 1/10. 1/10 means 10. 2/10 means 2/10 mean 2 into 20. Sorry, 2/10 mean 2 into 10, 20. So 36 plus 10 and 2/10 will give us 20 and 5. Okay. So 36 plus 10 plus 20 plus 5. Again let me erase this. Okay. So 36 plus 10 plus 20 will give us 20 plus 10 will give us 30 plus 5. Now 36 plus 30 plus 5 will give us 35. Isn't it? Now we will add these two numbers, 36 plus 35. 36 plus 35. How much we will get? 6 plus 5? 11. Carry 1. 3 plus 3? 6. 1, 7. So our answer will be 71. Okay? 71. Okay. Now moving toward question number 9. Read this question. In a bus, 22 boys and 38 girls are traveling. How many children are traveling in all? In a bus, 22 boys and 38 girls are traveling. How many children are traveling in all? So what we will do? We will find the keyword. So here our keyword is all. All means addition. This we have discussed when we were doing our exercise based on word problems. Now, so that means we have to add. So there was a bus where 22 boys and 38 girls are traveling. How many children are traveling in all? So we will add number of boys and number of girls. So number of boys is, now number of boys is 22. Is it 22 or 28? 22. And number of girls is 38. Total children 22 plus 38. What we will get? Adding 22 and 38. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. 3 plus 2, 5, 1, 6. 60. 22 plus 38 will give us 60. So total number of children traveling were 60. Okay. Now let us do next question. Question number 10. Read the question. Read question number 10. Okay. Priya has 45 stamps. She collects 7 more. How many stamps does she have now? So, Priya has 45 stamps. She collects 7 more. How many stamps does she have now? Okay. So, this question number 10, you will do yourself. Okay, this is also a very easy question. You will find out how many stamps does she collect? Does she having? Okay. Now, question number 11. Question number 11 says, take the sum which match with the given number. So, our given number is 62. 62 is our given number. So, now 36 plus 2. Is it equal to 62? 36 plus 2 will give us 36 plus 2 will give us 38 only. Now 41 plus 5. 41 plus 5. Sorry, 41 plus 6. Count after 41. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. Now 55 plus 7. Count after 55. 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61 and 62. So here we have got 62 and our last option is 68 plus 3. Count after 68, 69, 70, 71. So kids, which option is correct? 55 plus 7 is correct. Okay. Now, moving toward our next worksheet. This worksheet is also based on addition and this is also very much similar to the previous one. Let us start. 40 tens plus 200. 40 tens plus 200. So, what we will do? 40 tens. 40 tens means 40 tens means how much? 400. 40 tens plus 200 and 200 equal to 200. Now we have to add them. What we will get? 600. So 40 tens plus 200 will be equal to 600. Okay. Four 74 plus 13 plus 6. 474 plus 13 plus 6. 474 plus 13 plus 6. So we will do this question by regrouping. Okay. So 474 plus 13 plus 6. So first we will add 13 and 6. What we will get adding 13 and 6? 474 plus 13 plus 6 will give us 19. Now we will add 474 and 19. So 9 plus 4, 10, 11, 12, 13. 7 plus 1, 8, 8, 1, 9. And 4. 493 is our answer. 493. Okay. Let us move toward next question. So our next question says, how much is 5 tenths more than 50 ones? How much is 5 tenths more than 50 ones? So 5 tenths. 5 tenths and 50 ones. 5 tenths means 5 into 10, 50, and 50 ones means 50 into 1, 50. So we can see that both the numbers are same. 5 tenths is equal to 50 ones. 5 tenths is equal to 50 ones. So they are, how much is 5 tenths more than 50 ones? They are equal. Now, moving toward next question. 42 plus 3 tenths plus 5. So we have done enough question related to place values. Now this question number 4, you will do yourself. 40 tenths, 42 plus 3 tenths plus 5. This question you will do yourself. Moving toward question number 5. Question number 5 is also very easy. 43 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. Let us solve this question. 43 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So we will apply the rule of regrouping here. We will regroup 10 here. We will first add 3 tenths. So 43 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 will give us 30. 30 plus 5. Now 43 plus 30 plus 5. Now we will add 30 plus 5. 43 plus 35. How much we will get if we add 43 and 35? 43 plus 35. 5 plus 3, 8. 4 plus 3, 7. 78. 43 plus 35 will give us 78. Okay. Now, question number 6. Question number 6 is based on the concept of addition using expanded form. Question number 6 is based on the concept of addition using expanded form. So let us do. Here 27 plus 32 equals to 20 plus what we will get if we expand 27? 20 plus 7 and 32 will be 30 plus 2. Let us solve our question this side. 27 plus 32. 27 plus 32. What we have to do? This is an easy question. We have to solve it using expanded form. 20 plus 7 and 30 plus 2. 7 to 9. 20 plus 30, 50. So what we have got? 50 plus 9, 59. See, easy no? Yes, this question is very easy. 59. Okay. Now, question number 7 and question number 8. You will do yourself as both the questions are based on regrouping. Now, question number 9. Question number 9 says, Seema has 14 storybooks. She buys 8 more. How many storybooks does she have now? What we will do? More is there. That means addition. So you have to find out how much book does she have now. This question also you will do yourself. Okay. Question number 10. Read the question. In a farm, there are 130 mango trees and 36 apple trees. How many trees are there in all? Which word we will see? All. That means addition. So, in a farm, there are 130 mango tree and 36 apple tree. So, mango tree. How many mango trees were there? 130 mango tree. 130 mango tree. And how many apple tree? 36 apple trees. 36. Total tree 0 plus 6, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 1. 166. 166 total trees were there in the farm. So 136 total trees are there. 166. 166. Now question number 11. We have done this type of question. We have done this type of question in our previous worksheet. Read the question. Take the sum which matches with the given number. 130 equal to? Okay, let us find out. 130 equals to, is it equal to 118 plus 8? Or is it equal to 115 plus 20? So let us add 118 plus 8. How much we will get? we will get 8 plus 8, 6. Carry 1, 2 and 1, 126. No, it is incorrect. Now 115 plus 20. Let us find out 115 plus 20. Adding 115 plus 20, we will get 135. This is also wrong. Now 115 plus 18. 115 plus 18. 8 plus 5. 13. 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 133. This is also wrong. Now 117 plus 13. 117 plus 13. 7 plus 3, 10. 1 plus 1, 2, 1, 3 and 1, 130. So this is our right answer. Okay. So kids, today we have completed our worksheet based on addition. Tomorrow we will start our next chapter, that is subtraction. Okay? But you all will go through the concept that we have learned in chapter addition.